Have you ever thought about starting your own YouTube channel? It's an idea that has crossed many minds, especially with the rise of digital media. YouTube offers a platform to share ideas, passions, and creations with the world. But how does one go about creating and growing a channel? First and foremost, you need a Google account. If you don't already have one, it's simple to create. Once you have your Google account, head to YouTube. Click on your profile picture, and then select Create a Channel. From there, you'll be guided through the setup process. Now, simply having a channel isn't enough. You want to grow your audience, right? Let's dive into how to do just that. The first key to growth is content quality. High-quality, engaging content that provides value is what keeps viewers coming back for more. This not only includes the substance of your videos, but also the video and audio quality. Equally important is consistency. Establishing a regular posting schedule will keep your audience engaged and coming back for new content. Optimizing your videos for search engines is also crucial. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. And don't forget about thumbnails. Compelling images can significantly increase your click-through rates. Engagement is another critical aspect of growing your channel. Respond to comments, build a community around your content, and don't be afraid to ask for feedback and suggestions. Promoting your videos on other social media platforms can also help reach a wider audience. Don't be shy about sharing your content far and wide. Collaboration can also be a great way to tap into new audiences. Working with other YouTubers in your niche can introduce you to their audience and vice versa. Utilizing YouTube analytics can provide insight into your audience and help you tailor your content strategy. Creating eye-catching thumbnails and compelling titles can further increase your click-through rates. Organizing your videos into playlists can encourage viewers to watch more of your content. Lastly, focus on your channel's branding. A consistent visual style, including a logo, banner, and overall theme, can make your channel more recognizable and appealing. Remember, growing a YouTube channel takes time and persistence. Focus on creating quality content and building a connection with your audience. Keep these steps in mind, and you'll be well on your way to creating a successful YouTube channel. So to summarize, start by creating a Google account and setting up your YouTube channel. Then, focus on the quality and consistency of your content. Use SEO optimization, engage with your audience, and promote your channel on social media. Don't forget to collaborate with others, use YouTube analytics, and pay attention to your thumbnails, titles, and playlists. Finally, make sure your channel's branding is consistent and appealing. Remember, the journey of growing a YouTube channel is a marathon, not a sprint. So keep creating, keep engaging, and keep growing. Your YouTube success story is just around the corner.